Good morning, everyone. It's great to be here with you in New York, as well as everyone joining us on our live webcast seen across the globe. We continue to share the great news about Mitsubishi Motors here in the States. Our sales continue to grow stronger and stronger. The first quarter of 2015, numbers are in, and we are ecstatic. 5 consecutive quarters of double-digit growth. Significant increases over the first quarter of 2014. Our momentum continues to build. And man, that is great to say. Before I continue, let me introduce an individual who has played an instrumental role in our current success. Please welcome the President and CEO of Mitsubishi Motors North America, Mr. R.K. Kobashi. I would also like to welcome from Mitsubishi Motor Corporation, the Corporate General Manager of Design, Mr. Kunimoto. Thank you both for sharing in this auto show experience with us. On the auto show circuit this year, we've been having some fun, hinting about our new design language to the press while providing a sneak peek at some of our near-term technology. In Paris, we let your imaginations run wild on the Concept S. In LA, we wowed you with the XR PHEV. And in Chicago, we enticed you with the GC PHEV concept. Today, we move on to the real deal. The time has come for us to introduce you to the new look of Mitsubishi. No more what-ifs, no more viewing beyond the horizon. It's time to talk about today. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to introduce you to the production-ready 2016 Mitsubishi Outlander.
this been worth all the teasing? Our engineers haven't just wrapped the new Outlander in elegantly fluid yet ruggedly handsome sheet metal and glass. They've packed it with over 100 advancements to enhance design, handling, and NVH. They were obsessed with examining and tweaking every nook and cranny of the vehicle structure. They wanted to ensure everything worked in balance, to give the driver and passengers an unprecedented, unbelievably positive, and safe driving experience. Before I point out some of the most significant advancements, and aren't you glad I'm not going to go through all 100 plus, let me answer one of the biggest questions on your mind. How does the new Outlander fit in with its competitive set? Simply stated, Outlander for 2016 is now a serious contender. Its design is meant to deliver on a dynamic, powerful look with sporty, next-generation SUV performance that harkens back to the ruggedness of past Monteros. And as for the front, this Outlander has a new front fascia. The new front face, a dynamic shield concept, pays respect to our past. Form follows function. The front face comes from bumper side protection, seen historically in the Montero, providing unique protection for both people and car. Our new front face design draws from the past and evolves into the future. This new design concept will be consistently applied to our future models. Halogen front lights are combined with LED projectors for low beams. The LEDs comprise 12 chips that create a beautiful, high, even luminescence that can be seen. The front suspension cross members have been reinforced to increase rigidity and enhance steering accuracy. Additional bracing has been added around the suspension attachment points. Spring rates and front strut damping have been optimized to better absorb vibration, noise, and work harmoniously with the more rigid structure. Steering has been adjusted to lower friction while increasing driver feel. You don't aim the Outlander, you drive it. Attention to details and balance. Road noise from the suspension has been further reduced by adding soundproofing materials to the wheels and the fenders. The alloy wheels have been redesigned. They are more stylish and more rigid, which means they're going to produce less road noise and contribute to more precise handling. No change for change's sake here. Everything has a purpose, and in most cases, several. Engine noise has been reduced by modifying the intake system with a resonator. To help further reduce engine noise, they changed the rubber insulator on the air cleaner, which also helps to reduce vibration. They even made refinements to the cowl. When was the last time you've heard of cowl refinements? Additional gussing has been added to the front corners. The top edge has been reinforced, both implemented to increase structural rigidity. To help reduce sound intrusion into the cabin, sound damping and insulation sheets have been added to the cowl, as well as A-pillar and dashboard. The sound of the front doors when closing has been fine-tuned to be quieter yet solid. Garnish has been added to the door sills to give Outlander's profile that true SUV look. Details, details, details. The rear glass thickness has been increased. Sound insulation and damping materials have been added to the roof, front and rear door panels, rear quarter panels, rear floor silencer, and tailgate. By adding dampers, NVH has been greatly reduced in the rear suspension, rear differential, transfer assembly, and exhaust system. In the interest of time, let me just say the rear suspension has received its share of refinements to improve rigidity and reduce NVH significantly, essentially following the lead of the changes made up front. Now, rumor has it we might just be in the running for quietest vehicle on the road. Another feat of clever engineering can be found in the CVT system. Acceleration has been enhanced. How they do that? By reducing friction inside the transmission, so more torque is transmitted to the wheels. If you want to know how they did that, we'll have that discussion another time. For now, let me wrap up by showing you the back of the Outlander. See how the taillights and rear skid plate all integrate almost seamlessly into the rear design? It's the perfect complement to the front end design. Distinctive design, engineering advancements, meticulous execution, all resulting in a stunning example of balance. Now, I understand me talking about balance is not the same thing as you actually being able to experience balance. So let me tease you with one more thing, and I know Don said we were done doing that, but you're going to like this one. Come join us in June for the opportunity to drive the Outlander and experience firsthand what we've explained. Ladies and gentlemen, that's Outlander for 2016 and beyond. Don, come back out here and give us a rundown on Outlander's positioning in the marketplace.
My pleasure, Ken. I hope one of the takeaways from Ken's presentation is how excited we are about the new Outlander. It's going to be a real game changer for us. It's going to be playing with the big boys in a segment that sells over 1.5 million units. Our dealers are strong, they're committed to our brand, and they're ready for something new and exciting. The Outlander is going to energize our dealer body. It's a vehicle that goes head-to-head with any competitor in this segment. Why did we make over 100 changes to the Outlander? Because this segment demands excellence. And that's what we're committed to deliver. All the changes we've made in the 2016 Outlander are going to surprise and delight consumers. In typical Mitsubishi fashion, we've packed in a lot of features into the new Outlander, an already high-value vehicle. And there's more to the value story. That's the additional standard features that come with the 2016 model. As important as the 2016 Outlander is to us here in the States, it's also important as it reaches beyond our borders. It's been engineered to be a world car. The 2016 Outlander will go on sale on markets around the globe, reaching our shores this summer. This is the vehicle that does everything right. This is a vehicle that has it all: styling, handling, performance, value, comfort, and affordability. This is the vehicle that will strengthen and further define the Mitsubishi brand. This vehicle, the 2016 Outlander, is the vehicle that will take us to the next level. As our sales continue to grow and our momentum continues to build.
Done. Since Outlander for 2016 is such a big deal for us and Mitsubishi Motors, why don't we immortalize this moment and its debut at the New York International Auto Show?
Great idea, Ken.
All right, let's take a selfie.
Okay. Okay. Why don't you please come up on stage and join us to take a closer look at the all-new 2016 Mitsubishi Outlander.